Test it.
Hazur, he would like to know from a verse from the Holy Quran, Surah Qaf, verse number 15, about the Ashabul Ayekah, or also about the Qaume Tubbah. He wants to know about them more.
Yes, sir. We'll read it from the Quran first. Al-Ayekah is in fact gardens or heavy growth of trees. That is called Ayekah. So people of gardens, like you see gardens in almost every house in Europe, and also people who are people of thick bushes. Both can be referred to as Ashabul Ayekah. So there were people before, like the people nowadays, like in America as well, almost every house has a thick growth of bushes and gardens. So they may be referred to in a word, in a phrase which is as applicable today as it was applicable in the past. Please read it.
This is verse number 15.
Discovered?
Yes. Verse number 15 from Surah Qaf. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa ashabul ayekati wa qaumu tubbain kullun kazzaba ar-rusula fa haqqa wa'id. Translation is, and the dwellers of the wood and the people of Tubbah, all of them rejected the messengers, with the result that my threatened punishment befell them.
Now, Tubbah has not been described here.
Yes, under the note it says ancient Arab tribes.
Tubbah is not described in the Quran in a manner that we can identify them. So, according to the note of this Malaysia Sahib's translation, there are some ancient Arab tribes which are referred to as Tubbah. So this is just an interpretation. The Holy Quran does not identify them clearly, so they should be identified only by their acts and doings. In my opinion, they have a similarity to those of Ayekah, those who were people of Ayekah. That is why they are bracketed together. And they both met the same result or consequences of their ill deeds. Do the Arabs habitually have gardens adjacent to their homes?
Little bit in Syria.
Some of them do.
Occasionally, some. Yeah. But it's not a national habit. So the people referred to are those who have this national traditional habit. Like I said, in Europe, you travel any country and you will be surprised to see gardens attached to every house. It's not only the houses of the rich, the common people also have their small gardens. In England, in London, it is not evident because of the shortage of space. But still, in many areas of London where they have connected houses with small space, in front of them you will see a small garden. So they are Ashabul Ayekah. And fortunately you are not.